The Inter-Secondary Schools Sports Association, ISSA, is hoping that a limited number of fully vaccinated spectators will be able to attend this year's Boys and Girls Athletic Championships at the National Stadium. Spencer Darlington tells us more.
The Inter-Secondary Schools Sports Association, ISSA, is expressing optimism that fans will be able to return to the Boys and Girls Athletics Championships when this year's event is held at the National Stadium. On Tuesday, a team from ISSA met with officials of the Ministry of Local Government, as well as representatives from the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, the Kingston and the St. Andrew Corporation, and the Ministries of Health and Sports. ISSA's President Keith Wellington says a proposal surrounding the various elements for the staging of this year's champs will be forwarded to the government in short order.
Based on our discussions and the agreement, ISSA will be submitting its request for approval for champs and its other competitions within the next week. We will also be making a request for spectators to attend championships. We are confident that this approval will be given and we will have champs in one format or the other, and it is very likely that it will include spectators once we are able to get the current spike under control and things return to what it was pre-Christmas.
The ISSA boss added that the local governing body for high school sports has received a commitment from the government regarding the execution of the Boys and Girls Championships.
The government has made it clear that they will do whatever they can to support ISSA in ensuring that we can have a successful staging of Boys and Girls Champs along with the competitions for the other sports that we have earmarked for resumption during the course of this term.
ISSA has also gotten positive feedback from the relevant agencies regarding the events they have been able to stage during the pandemic.
Generally, everyone is pleased with what has taken place so far, and we are confident that we will continue to work together as a team and that we'll be able to return most of our sporting activities back safely, and our young students will get the opportunity to participate in the various competitions.
This year's ISSA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships is set for April 5 to 9 at the National Stadium. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.